Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install and use Hot IPTV on a Samsung Smart TV. So first you will need to click on the home button, which is on the middle of the remote control. So you click on it, then you go to apps and you go up to app search, and here you look for Hot IPTV. So I will type hot, then add a space and type IPTV. So it's the app which is showing. I will click on it, then click on install, wait for it to get installed, then click on open, and the app is loading. So to make this app working, you will need a playlist. You can't buy the playlist from the website, which you can't find on the first comment. You can also find the link of the website in the description of this video.